The parliamentary party leader Mukul Sangma has announced that his party Trinamool Congress will contest the upcoming Lok Sabha polls from Tura constituency. Speaking to media persons here, he said that the decision will be formally announced in a couple of days. Informing that talks are also being held to explore the possibility of fielding a candidate from Shillong seat, Mukul Sangma made it clear that he is not contesting the polls as he wants to focus on state politics.
Most of the constituent parties in India bloc have decided to go solo and then put up their own candidates. So Meghalaya, in as far as Meghalaya, we waited patiently. And indications were that negotiations were still on, but it appears that it might not come to fruition. So therefore, both the seats, we have 2 seats. The only decision is whether to fight both the seats or not. But then from our side,